Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're on our way. We're going to head out to Paintworks, see if we can get some of the fiberglass work done inside the door jambs there. Like I said, just our schedules trying to line them up so we've got time to work on it. Hoping maybe in the next week or so to get back on the engine as well. Start working on that. But so far, the paint vote is up, which has gone exactly as expected. It's going fantastic, guys. Lots of different opinions on the color. I think the Brandywine Red and the Royal Blue, I want to say the Root Beer maybe out in the lead, maybe the top three right now, but we've got a pretty good amount of votes for all of them. The Pagan Gold, the matte colors, the green, the orange, they're all doing really well. If you guys haven't voted yet, make sure that you go to the description of this video. The link will be there. Make sure you vote. We want to make sure that everybody has a say in it. Like I said before, we will be doing the vote in like a 3-step system to make sure that everybody has a final say in the final color. So this vote has 10. Once we have that vote complete, we're going to take the top 5. We're going to put them into a new vote for maybe somebody who didn't get their color in the top 5 can then pick out of the top 5 colors. Then we're going to take the top 2 and we're going to do the final vote with just the top 2 to make sure that everybody's got a final say in the final color. But as it goes right now, guys, super happy with the vote. I really do appreciate the comments and everything and likes that everybody's leaving. They are appreciated. I do like hearing people's opinion on what they think of the color, or, you know what I mean, what they think the car is going to look like when it's done. So I do appreciate that. But yeah, for now, we're going to head out to Paintworks and we'll see if we can't get some of the fiberglass work done and get this thing one step closer to getting into paint. So I'll give you an update when we get out there. All right, so I get out here, guys, and again, being slow that I didn't get out here this morning like I was going to get out here. These guys have gone ahead and we've already started the fiberglass process. Now, it's not too bad because they started part of the process that they're going to keep as a secret to themselves because it's kind of how they do things around here and they like to keep it. People want to know how they get such a smooth joint or you know what I mean, how everything looks so perfect, and it's kind of a trade secret to them. So they're not gonna let you in on that one. There's not many secrets that they keep, but that one there they are going to. But we have got this fiberglass in. Now this is untouched this side yet. This, like, he's just finished it enough, like it's actually still a little bit wet. But he's got the fiberglass cloth in there. And then down underneath, he's also got structural. He's got it right here as well. Now this is still going to be filled in with body fill. Like I said, it'll be one nice big arch once it's done. But this here is here for structural. And then once the bottom skirt goes on, it's going to come up and the skirt goes over this piece and gets bolted in right here. So this here is just structural. Again, this here's all needs to come off and get trimmed down, and they've just started it. But like that's not, the quarter's not going anywhere. Then if you go to the other side, we started playing around a little bit on the other side with sanding. Now we haven't sanded it. We're just playing around just to see how fitment is and how it's going to be. And again, so we're going to take it off. Obviously this will be body filled in. You can still see the contour of the door jamb. By the time this is done and this is all sanded down and filled in and painted, you won't even be able to tell. This is just going to look like it was part of the original body. It'll be seamless all the way, and it's going to come all the way up. We're going to do all this as well. It'll be seamless all the way, sanded, painted, and ready to rock and roll. So again, down here, I'm not sure if you can see because of the light there, but again, same thing. You can see right here, there's the cloth in there that's strengthening that up. This isn't going anywhere either. This one here is obviously quite a bit harder than the other side. But same thing. So we've got it coming up, all the way up, and then stop here. And then, like I say, this is still going to be filled in with body. All this, like I said before, guys, is going to be one solid fender. You won't be able to tell if anything's in there. So, really happy with that. That's coming along nice. And now I'm gonna see if I can take this outside. Mike's painting away over there. They have finished these two in matte. So when we put up the vote, these were done in gloss, and that was just so that you could see the flake in this pearl one, in this mint color. You could see the flake that we put on it. So now these are finished in matte. So these are the colors. This one here, I believe, is in the lead. Root beer's in the top 3, and I believe this royal blue. But these two here, I said I would get you a picture of them matted, like with matte. I'm gonna get there to grab that one. We'll take them out in the sun. Because like I said, like now that it's matte, I actually like this one quite a bit more than I did when it was gloss. I felt like when it was gloss, it didn't have a lot of color, but now that it's matte. So that's what those two look like as a matte color. Again, with the sun on them, like they just, actually this one here looks really nice too. The sky blue looks really nice as a matte as well.
Definitely different.
Yeah, so again, this is the minty ice pearl or whatever we call it. Yep. And this one here is the sky blue. Those are now finished. They're in a matte. That's what we were waiting on, was to get those in a matte. Now that they're done, and you guys have an idea of exactly what they're going to look like. Like I said before, I do believe, if I'm not mistaken, that the red is in the lead, and I could be wrong. Things change from day to day, but I think red's in the lead. Royal blue, pearl, I think is second, and I want to say root beer is third. Now, don't quote me on that, and we still got 7 days to go. It's still going to be up for a while, so things can change. But if you haven't got your vote in yet, and maybe you were waiting to see those in a matte, that's what they look like in a matte. They're very, very nice in a matte. So again, we're going to leave that vote up for 7 more days, guys. For those of you that are new to the channel, this car behind me is a 97 Toyota Supra. I know from this angle it doesn't look like it. It's because it's got a Veilside 4509 GTR body kit on it. It's the only one in North America. There's only 10 in existence right now. The other 9 are in either Japan or the Middle East. We have the only one in North America. And when this car is done, we are going to have more than $100,000 into it, not including the labor. That's just the parts that are going into it. And we will be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you follow the channel for your chance to win the car. And everything we do to the car gets voted on. So if you want your say on how you would build your dream car, what color you'd want it, and what you want done to the car, this is the channel for you, because everything we do to the car gets voted on by you guys. We still got the interior to vote on, different suspension components, turbos, intakes, fuel systems, still lots to vote on, guys. So I know this is a quick video because Derek and Ryan are ahead of the game and they got stuff done before I got out here. I was going to videotape doing that fiberglass, but as the fiberglass work continues on, because there's lots to do on the car, I will get out and videotape it. This hatch is just sitting on there right now. So in the next couple days, once there's a couple more, I think there's one more car, the Subaru outside still needs to be painted. But after that, we're going to see if we can drop this Supra off of the rotisserie, get it on the ground so we can start fitting the other body panels to it, the hood, the front fenders, the side skirts, the back bumpers, stuff like that. So lots to go. Again, Instagram, Facebook, definitely hit that subscribe button and the notification. We try and get a video up as often as we can. And all you gotta do is be subscribed for your chance to win.